From July 2008 to the May of 2009, they tom-tommed it all over the country. And what happened in the May of 2009, when the election results came in, is for everybody to see. So therefore, for the BJP to say that the matter has to be settled both in the court of law and the court of the people, it has been settled in the court of the people. Now what remains is that it is in the court of law. And if at all you have an argument to make, I think the appropriate place to go and make that argument is now in the court of law.
We will do it, and that's what is going on there, and no comments have been given by the court as yet. So don't conclude. But very clearly, one section
I'm not
of
concluding
the people
one way or the other. It is you who's concluding that your complainants are innocent.
Not even been brought for questioning is something which you can't miss out on, Arnob.
No, I am simply putting the question tonight. And the question is simply this: the cash for votes debate has been going on for a long time. I see Mr. Advani raising this issue quite diligently, quite often. Where is it headed?
It is not a rhetoric.
No, this is being repeated everywhere, that arrest me if you can.
Yes, certainly. As I said, the whole purpose of the Yatra is to also highlight the fact that corruption has reached such levels that the government has survived with having bought votes. Therefore, the Yatra was very clearly with a very clear agenda of going to the people to say how this government has survived. And
you
now, with arresting of the whistleblowers, it's only peaked in its performance.
Why did your whistleblowers not declare the source of the money to any law enforcement agency?
No, the point is, even by a Supreme Court's order, earlier judgment in the PV Narasimha Rao related case, it was very well for them to take the money and go to the parliament and lay it at the table. So it was perfectly a consistent and a legally sustainable kind of a step taken. So the money was brought in there. Let the Delhi police, which is investigating, go and look into the money trail. Who's stopping them from doing it? But the fact remains that very many people and the members of the committee, the parliamentary committee, had spoken openly about horse trading which has happened. And if horse trading has happened, and if chest of money was shown even to an American diplomat, none of them are being questioned. And in the report, there are very clear mentions of Congress party senior functionaries who have not even come into the pale of the investigation.
Okay.
These are things which one has to remember. And if the media house
may I very respectfully point out,
indulged in this,
yes, Manish.
exposing of this operation,
may I very respectfully point out,
how can one become a witness,
may I just come in for a moment?
I don't know anything about the media house.
This differentiation between two people who are engaged in the sting operation.
You're repeatedly referring to the media house. I know nothing for the media house. The media house had to answer for itself. Yes, Manish.
Obviously, I have not even named the house for that matter.
My esteemed colleague, I think, hasn't perused the charge sheet. If she would have perused the charge sheet, she would have realized that a lot of functionaries of both the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress, their statements were taken on record, and only after that, a conclusive finding was reached by the Delhi police. And the second thing which I would like to point out is that the BJP cannot look at the whole issue of alleged corruption from a very myopic point of view. The BJP's Yatra is in Karnataka. What is happening in Karnataka? You have a former chief minister who is behind bars. You have two of their former ministers who have been indicted in the mining scam. You have 12 ministers who decide to boycott Mr. Advani's Yatra because obviously they do not see any corruption in the state of Karnataka. So you cannot have this double speak. If at all, the BJP's Yatra is today in Karnataka, I think it would be well worth their cause to really educate the people of Karnataka about the acts of omission and commission which have been committed by their state government over the last 4 years.
On that,
I think that is the starting point by making a clean breast of the whole issue.
We will not conclude on that note.
On that we call it.
We will not conclude on that note.
Are you and
at least the BJP had the courage to take a yatra to Karnataka. What is happening to Sheila Dikshit, who is sitting under their nose?
Okay, on
who
that.
Who was indicted by the
all I'm saying is since you've taken the Yatra to Karnataka, please do educate the voters about your 4 years of rule in Karnataka.
Manish, hold on. One has heard your diatribe. Hold on. One has heard your diatribe.
Listening to you.
All right.
Okay, gentlemen, truce.
Lokayukta was indicting a minister in the Delhi cabinet.
Yes.
He continues to stay there. Sheila
Yes.
Dikshit continues to be the chief minister.
Yeah.
Rajasthan, one after the other scandal is coming out of Rajasthan. People are being killed. That chief minister sits there. You're talking about mining. What about the Goa chief minister who's still in power? Has there been any move to even question him?
Okay.
What is happening to the Manipur chief minister?
Again,
Quick,
Nirmala,
quick, we are not going to-
Again, Nirmala,
We are not
I don't
going to-
want to get into a slanging
don't talk
match,
to us.
but may
We
I
have
remind
taken
you that the
we
Goa
have taken the
PSC
necessary
report does
steps,
not name
and
the chief minister or any other
beating
minister.
corruption
One
is
minute.
It is
much
totally
better.
erroneous.
Uttarakhand
and
government today
again,
has
let's not
passed
get
the
into a
Lokayukta
slanging
bill.
match. Otherwise,
Jan
let me point
Lokayukta
out the push
bill,
about Thackeray Trust
exact
also.
version has been
Let me
passed in
point
Uttarakhand.
out Push
Tell me
Steel
if a
also.
Congress
So
government has
therefore,
the courage to
chapter
do that.
and verse I can point out instances of the BJP. So let us not get into the slanging match. All I am saying
Yes,
is, since your yatra is in Karnataka, it
When
would be
you
worth
say
your
it's not a
while
slanging
to
match?
educate the people of Karnataka, to apprise them
Manish
of
Tiwari.
the excellent performance
Thank
of your
you.
state government over the
Manish
last 4
Tiwari
years.
and
That's
Manish
all I'm
Tiwari
saying.
and Nirmala Sitharaman with a promise to continue this
Educate the
wonderfully
people of
sweet
Delhi.
conversation on another note, another time. I promise to bring the both of you back so that this wonderfully pleasant conversation can go into another chapter only for tonight and this evening with a promise to return. Manish Tiwari and Nirmala Sitharaman are very
you.
aggressive
Thank you.
spokespersons
Thank
on
you.
both sides. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight.